Good morning, everyone. This is Ruth Mission Abuan, your senior vlogger. I tackle all possible issues of today and even that of yesterday and tomorrow as long as it is worth knowing and sharing. If you did not subscribe to this channel yet, please do subscribe now and click the bell button to keep updated of new videos in case I cannot send the link promptly. Like or you may send a comment or message as I gladly acknowledge and welcome all sort of interest. I am very lucky to have worked with people who in years became my close friends and family by choice. My career as a pharmacist in King Faisal Specialist Hospital and Research Center in Riyadh brought me to like and love the people I worked with. When I was younger, this was of course before my Abu Dhabi days. While trying to establish a family of my own, I also established a special bond with people I treasure the friendship until now. Friends at work before are my close friends now. Anyways, the secret to a lasting friendship is always respect. We've got to respect each other's culture, religion, and belief. Observe their culture so that, in a way, you can adjust. Always be sincere with your greetings. Recognize them and remember their names, which is so difficult now. Watch your humor. You might embarrass someone or sound sarcastic to some. Avoid negativity by not bringing up cringe-worthy topics or embarrassing issues. Find a way to get along with everyone, even the most difficult people. Practice good etiquette at all times. Most of all, be kind and helpful. There are signs why you consider them your dearest friends. Because undoubtedly, you spend time together. You have each other's phone numbers. Of course, communicated with them. You talk about things, actually, anything under the sun. You confide to one another. You are not in competition with each other. Also, you keep in touch if one of you goes elsewhere. There are some strategies so you may get closer to your coworker, and one of that is to avoid gossip. Bond with them during breaks. Participate on team building activities. Show some sort of concern by asking them about themselves or their families. Occasionally, invite them to your party. Most of all, connect with them through humor and social media. You can win the heart of your coworker when they feel your concern. When you are always ready to listen to them. Be friendly. Be grateful. Adjust your work style by personality type. Offer constructive criticism. Speak with discretion and talk face to face. Build and earn trust. Let me share with you the ways to get along with coworkers. First, aim at building a relationship from the start. Take time to learn about them while showing respect at all times. Avoid oversharing, although at times you can't help, especially those that are already very dear to you. Always interact positively. In this way, they will always feel welcome. Lastly, be approachable. It is normal to eventually make friends at work. This actually makes career success crucial. But the fact that time is most spent on the job would makes get things easier if you all work together harmoniously. Do you know that there are employers who would terminate staff who could not get along with coworkers? Along those same lines, employers are perfectly within their rights to terminate an employee who doesn't get along well with co-workers. Lack of cultural fit can be a reason for termination, but employers should ensure that such decision does not come with discriminatory bias. Whatever your outlook in life or social preference would surely affect your entire being. What is important is your ability to socially cope, to make life easier and make life worth living. Friendship is another thing. Let me end this vlog by saying that friends are a treasure. They share your memories and would, in a way, make you a better person. This had been Ruth Mission Abuan, your senior vlogger, signing off for now and see you on my next video. God bless everyone!